everybody, this is Nora, and today I have a review for you from Born Pretty store. I just have a couple of items here that I like to share with you. The first one being this super cute, well, beautiful stamping plate. And yes, as you can tell, this did come with a blue film, but I removed it because I've already used this plate. It has such beautiful images. I couldn't wait. And I've actually done a couple of designs with this plate, one for me and for a friend. But the plate is the BPX43, as you can see the item right here, and it's also on the plate. So it's a floral stamping plate. I will also have links down in the description bar below to both of these items, and I do have a 10% discount code that you might apply on their website. I'm going to go ahead and put that down at the bottom of the screen, and I will have it down in the description bar as well. And let me show you, and this is one of the small rectangular plates. Let me show you these images. They are so elegant, beautiful designs. Look at them. I just love, I mean, there's something about them that really struck me as something very unique that I don't have on all my collection of floral plates. But yeah, and this one, yes, it comes with the Born Pretty logo paper on the back, so to keep you from keeping the edges from being so sharp. But there you go. And I'm going to go ahead and do swatches of these, and I'm also going to do a design using the stamping plate, as well as the other item that I am going to review, want to show you, is this Chrystal Katana. I mean, look at that. I've been longing one of these for the longest now. Kind of wanted to get away from my old waxy, this thing that I also got this from Born Pretty long time ago. But wanted to have something a little bit more fancy. I just thought this was beautiful, and it came in this case, which is nice. There's the item number right there, and then I have put this one to use as well. I do like this case, so it has this kind of rubber ring thing around it to keep it in place there. But you will just remove this, and so from on this end, this helps you with the placement of the stones or the beads and what have you. And this end is the wax end, so that you can pick up the stones, and they easily stick to them. So you'll see me work with these. Oh, and these come in different colors. I remember the blue. I don't remember the other colors, but they have the little crystals inside. So isn't that precious? So fancy looking. I had to get the pink. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of kill two birds with one stone here and do a design using the stamping plate and place some rhinestones using the Chrystal Katana. But let's first go ahead and I'm going to start with the swatches of the stamping plate, and I hope you guys enjoy that. Okay guys, so here's a close-up of the images. Take a look at those. They stamp really well, and I just use my Funky Fingers black polish. I love this image right here. Take a look at that lady with the music sign, and this is a huge image. You'll probably have to spread that in between two nails. See that? But these are really good size images. But what I like about them, I mean, you can use these in very long nails, or you can just use a certain part of the nail, like I did with this one of one of my friends. She didn't have very long nails, and I used just the top half of that design just to use the swirlies. Take a look at those. These are very, I mean, I just love these designs. Now this one here, I went ahead and did it twice there, since I didn't do a good job at stamping. But yeah, it's a very good quality plate. Like I said, I will go ahead and have the links down to this plate and the Chrystal Katana down in the description bar below. And I will also have, I do have a 10% discount for them. If you guys are interested, I will scroll that across the the video right here, as well as have it down in the description bar below. Now let's go ahead and do a design on my nails, and then I will put the Chrystal Katana to use. Here is the final result after I cleaned up and applied top coat. You saw how easy it was to work with this the Chrystal Katana, picking up these little pearls and the beads that I use for my mani. Super easy. And if you are curious as to how this works, this is nothing but wax, guys. This is wax. So yeah, so it's something soft. It's not rubber. So that's what sticks to the stones or the gems or the beads or whatever it is that you're putting on your nails, and it makes it nice and easy for placement, picking them up no matter how small they are. And I will actually show you. So in case if you're curious as far as the weight that it will pick up, there you go. I mean, they're not heavy. These are not heavy stones at all. But as far as the size, see, there you go. So it really doesn't matter the size of your stone. It's just a matter of how much pressure you put down when you are pressing the tip onto the stones or the beads to pick them up. And I like how it has this, just the tip at the other end, so you can immediately turn your wand around, and then it helps you with placement or the movement of your stones as you're working with them. And the plate, I mean, beautiful designs, that's just beautiful images. They worked really well. So yeah, I will totally recommend both of these items. They both work really well. Like I said, I will have the link down in the description bar below. I will, in my discount code for a 10% discount. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. And I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.